Right guys, Kat's birthday is approaching. Sorry for the mess. If you're following our channel, you know that we're renovating. At the moment, we are turning the garden into Kat's dream garden. Kat has been a professional dancer. She's been traveling the whole world dancing. So I got her something to complement her dancing life, because now she's stuck with me. A mediocre dancer, and to complement the presents, I wanted to make her a sign. Now all of the signs that I found were made for tombstones. My original idea was to get a laser etched slate, but I didn't like any of the designs. So eventually I was like, why don't I make my own? So I got myself some cedar wood, very nice one here. I have limited amount of time and Kat needs to not know. And this is the message I want to write. So let's make this look nice. How do I do this? I think I want to keep this part here. I need to choose the right place to do it. Something like this. And I want to replicate this. Nice, no? Now let's make it look half decent. Because this is rough sewn. If you want to do something similar, you don't need machines, you can just sand it with a sandpaper by hand, and you can plane it with a hand planer. The choice is yours. But now I don't really have time, so I need to do this fast. I'm using machines. I'm not doing a perfect job because it's supposed to stay outside, so not a problem. Okay, I think we're done now. Now, how do we write the letters here so that we can carve it? My idea is this. Really hope this will work. Please work. Please. I think this will give me better control. Yes, somehow. Right, let's see. Can I work with this? And, oh, the rose. What do you think? Will I make it? Time to route it. Right guys, finished. What do you think? Is it any good? I ruined the T here, but cut is quite nice, I suppose. The flower is nice. Once I clean up all the dust, I think it will look better. Don't think that we're done. We're far from that. We need to treat it. We need to make it nice. Again, the whole place is a mess. Let's ruin it a bit. I will apply 3 or 4 coats of this and then I will sand it. Right guys, new plan. I'm not happy with what I have achieved here. We don't have a thickness here and therefore the plank is not straight, completely straight. And some letters have been carved deeper, some haven't. Now what I'm going to do is I will try to paint it over really carefully and then do touch-ups on top. So wish me luck. I said luck, I don't believe in luck. I'm going to use this paint here, which is one of the paints she really likes. And we're using it all over the garden, so hopefully this will enhance this. Shit, she's coming. So yesterday I applied 3 different coats to our black and the stick. And now, since we have a new plan, I need to put some black inside the letters. I don't have a black for woods. I'll use this for now, which is for metals. If it gets off or chipped, I'll just fix it later. I'll use a toothpick. We don't use toothpicks in this house, so I have a birthday thing with Rick and Morty. Yes, it seems to be working. I think it's done. Okay. Right. Let's let it dry and then we go for the reveal. Okay guys, the cake is almost ready. Flowers are bought. I need to write the card and need to set up everything. And let's go get her. We're going for biking in a bit, but here's your card.
Go downstairs. Okay. I'll pick up a tissue on the way. Balloons.
Balloons, yeah. You missed the arrows.
Well, you were in front of it. Follow the arrows.
Woo!
Look to the garage window. Hello, fence. It's ours, not yours.
Yeah.
Behind me.
Well, you're supposed to be sitting in front of it.
Ah, yes, okay. You were in front of it.
Again? Go on. Go through the mess.
Cat, let her dance forever in our garden, graceful, bold and free. There's a lot of emotions at the moment with the journey that we're on. Shall I lift it up?
Yes, lift it.
Really?
She's a dancey lady. That's you. I wanted the garden to. I wanted to celebrate your life as a dancer and compliment our garden.
It's beautiful.
That's why I didn't put the spike in the ground, because I know how you would like to change things.
Is she heavy?
Yeah, she's heavy.
Oh, I've got a decision to make. Oh,
Bob Bob.
He just came to my feet.
Hi, Bob Bob.
Hi. Hi, baby.
He came to say happy birthday to you.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. It now because that's your handwriting.
You think with the router I was able to do my handwriting?
No, but I can tell that is your handwriting.
You want to keep this on or leave it? I was supposed to be following a certain font. Happy with it?
We say over the moon.
Over the moon? Let's cut the cake. I really, really need to eat this.